I know you've looked at an awful lot of companies,
Yep.
particularly in the machining field, and yet very few of them have come to fruition as buys for metal seal. Is there
Yep.
is there any common denominator of why so many deals fail?
I would say the biggest thing is probably emotion. Selling a business in our industry, most of our businesses are family-owned businesses. Um, and with family-owned businesses, generally you only sell your company once, and it's an emotional decision. One of the biggest decisions you'll make personally for your financial well-being.